Give you a little tour of the lounge here at Lee Smith International Ford and Zuzu here in Chattanooga, Tennessee. They got microwave, sink, nice table, and coffee, water, refrigerator. I mean, pretty nice place to hang out. TVs for drivers to hang out at and sit. I'm the only one in here right now. Everybody else is gone. TVs. And of course, you can see behind me there, I am at Lee Smith International. They got bathrooms and showers and laundry. All that going on here that you can do while you wait on your truck to be worked on, serviced, whatever, if you're out here on the road. So I just want to give you a heads up on that. And it's bad to break down, and it's bad to have to be shut down out here on the radio, or on the road. But yeah, you can see got all these nice things that you can do. Washer and dryer. He has a ladies and men's restroom. So I mean, pretty cool. Come on in, air conditioned, hang out, and wait on your truck to be fixed. They put my truck on the inside, so I'm gonna sit out here and see what's going on. As you can see, that's the international side over there. My truck's inside bay 1 there. You see them 3 white trucks up there by the guard shack. I had to unload my load to where it would be safe. So parked my trailer way back over yonder in the back. So yeah, I just want to give you a heads up, see what you thought, let you know. Out here on the road, broke down, semi truck. There is things that you can do. I mean, you can motels close by, all that. But unfortunately, I'm close enough to home, I'm going to the house. Got a ride on the way to get me now. So we'll catch up with you on down the road. Well, good morning. Some more info on the truck. As you can tell, we are in our pickup truck. We are on a load, headed to North Carolina with a single pull. It's been a long week, been a while. Been a while since I recorded the first part of this video. That first part of this video was at the first day over there at the Lee Smith. Well, since that day, we found out that the high pressure fuel pump had went out. Main wiring harness had melted. Had to have an adapter to fix it. It's still having a regen problem. They got to get all that other fixed first before they can put it back on the computer to figure out what's causing that to not regen fully. We know it don't regen all the way. So we got to figure out what that is. As soon as we get the fuel pump fixed and settled out, and the wiring harness and all that, it could be just the wiring harness was melted, and we're hoping that's what it is. And That's all that has to be done, is replace that and that fuel pump, and go from there. But International is still in the shop. It still is Lee Smith, International, Ford, and Zuzu. And Chattanooga. We've looked at a couple other trucks. Just don't want to pay that hefty payment and still have to pay that big down payment. So just put the money into this truck and get it fixed, and then we don't have a truck payment. And that's the key in this RV transporting business. Low overhead, and however, the business is slowing down a little bit. Factories have been closed. Well, about the time we broke down, about the time they closed, and they're still closed, I think. Might be working part-time. Hopefully they'll get cranked back up here, start pumping out some trailers. But that's where we're at. Just wanted to give you a heads up. I'll go ahead and post this. Keep your head up. If you stay in this business long enough, they will be breakdowns. It's not a matter of won't, it's a matter of when. There will be breakdowns if you stay in the trucking industry very long, of any kind, not just RV transporting, but big rigs, hot shots, whatever. If you drive and you're out here on the road any length of time at all, you're going to have some breakdowns. And you're going to have some major breakdowns from time to time. So just budget for it, plan for it, hope for the best and plan for the worst. That's all I can tell you to do right there. We bought this truck knowing that we might have to have put a little work into it. But for what I gave for the truck, I could afford to put a little work into it. And so that's what we're doing. But we hope that you enjoy this video. If you like this video, if it's any help to you, please like it, subscribe to it. Hit that little bell down there, where when I post my next video, you'll get a notice. And maybe it'll be something that you can use in your everyday walk, or life, or business. Everything that works for me may not work for you, and that's okay. That's what makes the world go round. But we wanted to give you a heads up. I am very pleased with the work that Lee Smith is doing. They've stayed in contact. They've let me know every move. They've gave me a quote on everything. Of course, with inflation like it is very expensive. I don't know exact dollar amount yet, so that's the reason I'm not telling you anything just yet. But that'll be to come after we get everything said and done. I did get a new driver's seat put in the truck while it was there, and it needed one. Maybe be a little bit more comfortable when we're out here on the road driving, and we can not be as tired or wore out. But anyway, we'll give you a heads up what's going on. The truck is still in the shop. The International, I'm in the pickup doing single pull until it gets fixed. Been to Maine. Drove a motor home. Took a motor home to Georgia. Went back and got a trailer and went to Maine, Windham, Maine. Went back, got this trailer, and now we're headed back down here to Gardner, North Carolina. And we're in North Carolina now. Not far, probably 75 miles from the dealer. And we'll get this thing dropped off. It's a flatbed load. Being that I'm back in the gasser, don't get the fuel mileage that I get with diesel. So we're trying to pull as light of loads as we can and stay busy and stay active. And we appreciate all the Horizon has done for us. We got them 3 trucks got delivered. We repowered those trucks and got those delivered. That customer's happy and had a great 4th of July. Just trying to bring you up to date of where we're at. And we're currently today in North Carolina headed to deliver over here and drop this unit off, and then we're going to go home, spend some time with the family, and enjoy our anniversary of 17 years. My wonderful wife, love her to death. Couldn't do what I do without her, and I certainly appreciate her. And I know maybe she watches this and maybe she'll get it. And so anyway, it'll be 17 years this coming weekend. So keep the pretty side up and the ugly side down until next time. Maybe by the next time we get another video, maybe we'll have the international back that we've named Nashley. Took enter off and just put Nashley on it. Nashley is in the shop getting worked on. But should have new fuel filters, new oil filters, new fuel pump, new water pump we've put on in previous time, new drums, new brakes on the back, and a new right wheel seal we've put to it and done to it. So we put a little work in it. Good truck, good running truck, does the job what we needed to do. Yes, it is a day cab, as y'all can see in previous videos, but it does the job. And I enjoy being able to get out and go into a motel at night anyway, so perfect for me. Yeah, and I know motels are expensive, put the numbers on them and that kind of stuff, but motel or truck payment, I choose a motel. And go from there. But anyway, have a great day.